Welcome to our channel. If Google Chrome is using too much memory on your computer, follow these step-by-step instructions to reduce RAM usage and improve performance. Step 1. Open Chrome's Task Manager by pressing Shift plus Escape or by clicking the three-dot menu, selecting More Tools, and then Task Manager. This shows memory usage for each tab and extension. Step 2. Identify tabs and extensions using excessive memory in the Task Manager. Sort by memory to see which items are consuming the most RAM. Step 3. Close unnecessary tabs that are using significant memory. Right-click on high memory tabs in the Task Manager and select End Process to close them immediately. Step 4. Disable or remove unnecessary extensions by typing Chrome://extensions in the address bar. Turn off extensions you do not use regularly or uninstall them completely. Step 5. Enable Chrome's Memory Saver feature by going to Settings, then Performance, and toggling on Memory Saver. This automatically frees up memory from inactive tabs. Step 6. Clear your browsing data by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Select cached images and files and clear data from the past week or month. Step 7. Update Google Chrome to the latest version by clicking the three-dot menu, selecting Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for and install updates. Step 8. Reduce the number of open tabs by using bookmarks or tab management extensions. Consider using Chrome's built-in tab groups to organize and suspend inactive tabs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.